Got to do it right, got to do it tight. Super excited to do another video. And I want to quickly thank each and every single one of you that have subscribed already. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart for you to subscribe, especially from the beginning of this channel. And if you haven't already, this is my invitation for you to do. I really just want to make an impact on the world my way, based on what I've been through and how I can help people best where I can. So, that being said, today I want to share the commandments I live by, the code I live by. When I started living by these 10 principles, everything else started taking care of itself in my life. Now, I adopted these principles not all at the same time. It's a culmination of 14 years of 15 years of self-development. So definitely going to save time if you implement all of these from today. And the reason why I'm sharing this video or sharing this in this video is actually I wrote this email where I was sharing this to my email list of more than 200 people, typically breadwinners, sole income earners, caregivers, where I share daily insights about what's helped me, what can help them, boost testosterone, get in shape, get lean, build a bulletproof mindset, revive their relationships at home, get respected, so forth. Don't want to carry on, but the link will be below in the description for you to subscribe. It's free. And I put a lot of effort. That's one of my main things I put effort in terms of the brand and how I help people. My email list, my daily emails, it's one of my favorite things to do. And YouTube is up there as well. So feel free to subscribe on the link below. Anyways, let's get into the commandments. And this light's killing me, so I'm going to put this blue light blockers on. 10 commandments of living life on the offense. Living life on the offense is all about taking each day, not leaving anything behind because tomorrow isn't guaranteed. It's about taking each day not for granted and making the most of it. The first commandment is, and if you've got me on Twitter, I always talk about putting yourself first, right? A lot of people, they don't put themselves first, they worry about others, and they end up forgetting about themselves, ultimately limiting the amount they can help others. So I'm all about getting as many people to adopt these commandments. So we put ourselves first so we can give others our best self and pour from an overflowing cup of vitality, presence, and power. So you want to always be pouring from a full cup, not an empty cup. So the only way to do that in my mind is to put yourself first. And the next one is we stay ready so we don't have to get ready. This comes down to just extreme planning, coming down to a clinical, efficient, effective morning routine or a weekly routine, or both, where you already know what you want to get done, to-do lists and stuff like that for the day, and then you're ready to go about business. And even if things pop up, like they always do each and every single day, you know how to adjust things around and really get on with it. And you're always staying ready, you're always in shape, you're always looking fly, you're getting a haircut, so you're ready for any opportunities that come your way. As a man, I'm sure we can all agree that a haircut is phenomenal. It's just one of the it's hard to explain. It's mystical, you could say. But the next one is we have an overkill mentality. We want to over-deliver on all promises, show up early to meetings, so forth. Keep your word. If you told someone that you're going to give them 10 tips or something, give them 11, right? So that's just an example. We earn our leisure. Now, this is one of my favorite ones and the most memorable ones. I used to, in my late teens and early 20s, I used to prioritize leisure. And it's just part of living and growing up, like no regrets. You want to earn your leisure. So we get errands, work, research, commitments done before enjoying leisure time, ensuring progression towards goals. Now, I used to play online games back when I was younger, and I used to play the online games and then do stuff that I needed to do after or the next day. To give a practical sense, earning our leisure means we get what we need to get done during the day, and then we can enjoy however we choose to do leisure. Watch a movie with the family, have some dessert, watch a movie, go play golf, whatever you do, you can do it guilt-free and be completely present in the moment, because you've already earned your leisure. You're not thinking about what you need to do, this and that. You've already done what you need to do, and now you can enjoy yourself and then call it a night. We embrace happiness and sadness the same. We stay cool, calm, and collected at all times, turning pain to passion and joy into abundance. This is a bit hard one. This is probably a lifelong mastering process. Embracing happiness and sadness the same. If you've gone through a lot of trials and tribulations and you've come out the right end of it, then it speeds up the process. In my journey, at least. But one key thing I'll say about this one is that is the same. Like you want to embrace the happiness. You don't want to get too euphoric, and when you get sad, you don't want to get depressed. You want to just embrace the feeling, but don't stay in there for too long and don't go to the heights and depths of it. You want to experience a full range of life too. So that's just a caveat there. And one quick thing that I experienced as well whilst trying to be able to embrace happiness and sadness the same is at times, especially if you've gone through a lot, you can become a bit jaded. So you become a bit cold hearted, and then you really just stay at this numb level. And I experienced that for a while, and then I got out of it, and now I'm not as jaded. So that's just to keep in mind. If you've gone through a lot and you feel numb, it's probably the right word to explain is jaded, and you just need some newfound passion or joys, finer things in your life, and you'll get out of it. But this is one thing to be self-aware of. We practice what we preach, leading from the front. Now, the best example for this is if you've got kids. You can't expect your kids to stay fit, go outside, play outside, or take care of themselves if you don't take care of yourself, if you smoke cigarettes, if you eat junk food, if you're out of shape as a father. The best thing you can do is practice what you preach and don't pass on the responsibility to motivate your kids to some soccer coach or something like that. That's the best way I can explain that one. We are always on a mission. The way I like to, this comes after years of refinement, but right now, how I operate and how I help people in the community and in the email list and clients is I help them set 90-day goals. So you always want to have rolling 90-day goals with deadlines, and they have to be in line with a bigger purpose, and everyone's purpose is different. But this will always keep you. This kind of acts like a GPS when you have decisions to make. You look back at your 90-day goals that you committed to in the beginning of the 90 days, and on the 45th day you become you reach a detour. You can go this way, that way. Sometimes the best way is just to stick to the goal that you set. It always keeps progressing. So it's just another way of decision making as well, but also staying in the right direction, always working towards something and not drifting, not wasting time. The next one is we take control of our destiny by creating a vision we truly believe in that we can achieve. Fortune favors the relentless. There's a famous saying, fortune favors the bold. And after a couple of years, I like saying, fortune favors the relentless. To get started, you have to be bold. When you cross dangerous waters, per se. But you have to be relentless. Your spirit, your tenacity as a man, your primal instinct is going to carry you through the storm. And it's only the relentless and the people who can persevere the longest are the ones that are going to make it. The next one is we enjoy the finer things in life, always making time for special occasions treasured by others and us. This is just how I operate, how I live, one of the rules I live by. If you invite me to a wedding, there's a funeral, there's a birthday, I will try 110% to make it. Because I understand the significance, and it's just part of finding things like it. It doesn't matter if you're interstate, different country. I'll try my best to make that occasion. And yeah, no regrets in that one. And I think it's a beautiful thing. And the next one, the last one is we treat each day as our last. No scoreboard watching, hone our spirit every morning, day and night, stand here and keep going on. Now this one, it's easy to get complacent when you have a big win. So this is if you got a promotion or if you achieved something the day before and then you wake up the next day, it's very easy to take it easy and be in la land. One of the key things that keep people going, especially the very successful, they keep going. They don't look at the scoreboard. They don't start looking backwards and start getting complacent. Oh, I won yesterday, this and that. I'm going to take it easy today. No matter how wealthy you get, no matter how many wins you get, you got to still be hungry like the wolf climbing the mountain, per se. So it's easier said than done. But if you can especially start your mornings with the same hunger, no matter how much you succeed in life, you'll keep succeeding instead of falling down like Icarus, who burnt his wings, if you've heard that story. So they're the 10 commandments I live by, living life on offense. I hope they resonate with you. They definitely will help you a lot, even if you implement one a week, for example, and we can go from there. But just wanted to share my commitments that I share with my email list. Links in the description below. Feel free to join, subscribe, and would love to help you each and every single day. And I'll be doing more YouTube videos for sure. I'm looking forward to them. I'm really enjoying this process of adding value via video. Suits my personality. And I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing already. Just want to say thanks again. And let's keep it rocking. No time to waste, baby.